Demonstrating the Kentpass application. I'll be using two devices to simulate the communication between devices. Now, the device on the left, I've already set up a volunteer user on that, so let's start the app over here. When the app first launches, you'll be taken to the home screen. Now, the app adapts to different layouts and orientations. So if you rotate it, the layout adjusts to suit. Now, if you want to get to a location on campus, you click Show Locations. I have a list here of all the rooms and buildings. You can search for what you want, or you can filter by buildings, so only buildings show, or you can show everything. Now, if you type in something that has no search results, you get the appropriate message saying such. Now let's say I want to find the Gulbenkian seminar room. I start typing GOL, and here we go, Gulbenkian seminar room. I click on that and I get a detailed screen with a picture of the room and directions to get to the room once you enter the building. Now to find where the building is, I click View Map, and I'm shown a map with the location of the building and my current location. To navigate, I simply click Navigate, and that brings up Apple Maps with the default walking directions from your current location to the Gulbenkian building. So you can click Go, you get the regular voice navigation, everything you get with Apple Maps. Now, when you're done, you can go back to the app, and let's say now I want to connect with a volunteer. I can click Connect. Now, if I already have an account, I can sign in. For demonstration purposes, I'll just register a new account. So you can register as a volunteer or a student. You choose a display name, so I'll go with John Doe, demo, email.com. Let's see, boom, password cannot be blank. Okay, and boom, passwords do not match. Let's see, right? Cool. So now, if I click Connect, I'm brought to this screen, so I can double click to start the call or just simply hit the Start Call button. Once I do, Mary Lewis, the volunteer over here, will get an incoming chat request from me, and she can choose to assist or not. So she chooses to assist, that starts the video chat. Now, this is a simulation on the laptop, so the video doesn't show, but on two real devices, you'll get natural video chat. Now, let's say Mary Lewis doesn't want to be disturbed for a while, she can hit go offline. And if I try to call her now, or try to call anyone, she doesn't get a notification of my call. Okay, she comes back online, I make a call, she gets the notification. If someone else answers my call or I cancel the call, then that notification goes away on her screen automatically. Now, she can, in her options, choose not to accept general calls where no building has been specified, and she can choose what buildings she is familiar with. So you can see here that she has already indicated she is familiar with Elliot. Let's say she's also familiar with Darwin. She chooses that, click Save, and you can see the building codes for Elliot and Darwin College there has been updated. She can also update her display name, so let's say she wants to be known as Jane Doe. Update and update it. Now, if I try to make that call again, she won't get a notification because she only accepts calls specific to the particular buildings that she's familiar with. So if I come back now, show locations, let's say I go to Connor Ferguson seminar room. That is not in Darwin or Elliot, so if I try to connect with her now, again, nothing, but another volunteer who I'd accept all calls are familiar with that building would be able to accept the call. Let's see now. I go and I find a building that she's familiar with, so Darwin. Let's go to Darwin Lecture Theatre 3 and try to connect from here. Now she gets a call because it's a building that she is familiar with, so she can start the chat or she can choose not to. She doesn't want to. And yeah, so I can also go back to my settings and I can change my account to a volunteer account if I want. And when I go connect, I'll get the same kind of screen as her. Again, these screens adapt to different orientations, so if I rotate, it adjusts, and I can do everything that volunteer can do. And I can log out. Ask me if I sure. Yes. Now if I forgot my password, I can click forgot password and I can let's try this. An email address must be provided. Let's enter something. No record for that. So let's enter the email address I signed up with, and I got a notification saying that email was sent to that address. And if you check your email, you'll get a reset link with instructions on how to reset your password. So let's say I did all of that now, and ready to log back in now. And here we go. Now I can, if I choose to, delete my account. So I come here, it asks me if I'm sure because it cannot be undone. I'll have to register again. I'm pretty sure, so I delete the account. If I try to sign in again with the same account, no record of the corresponding user, so the account has been deleted. And that is pretty much it for the app. Thank you for your time.